In this video, I'll show you how to invest in gold with Robinhood. On Robinhood, the most common way to invest in gold is by buying a gold-related ETF or other gold-linked security in a regular investing account. Robinhood says its investing accounts support most US stocks and ETFs, and Robinhood also offers futures, including exposure to metals for eligible users. First, open the Robinhood app and go to the search bar. Type in the name or ticker of the gold investment you want to buy. A popular example is a gold ETF, like SPDR Gold Trust, ticker GLD, which is listed on Robinhood. Next, open the asset page, review the price chart, and tap Buy. Enter the dollar amount or number of shares you want, review the order, and submit it. Robinhood says stock and ETF trading in a standard investing account is commission-free, though other fees can still apply. If you want more direct exposure, Robinhood also offers futures, and its education pages specifically mention metals futures such as gold. Just remember, futures are more advanced and involve leverage, so they can be riskier than simply buying a gold ETF. For most beginners, a gold ETF is usually the simpler option because it trades like a stock and is easier to manage inside the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.